Hi and welcome. I'm so glad you found my channel. My name is Erin, and on my videos I show you how to create DIY bath and beauty products. So let's go ahead and get started with this week's video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a non-greasy, fast-absorbing body oil. This body oil formula uses ingredients that will help to moisturize the skin, making it feel nice and soft. So let's go ahead and get started. To start out with, I'm adding some meadow foam oil to my beaker. This is an emollient, and it will help to lock in moisture. It contains the vitamins C and E, which are great for protecting the outer layer of the skin from any further environmental damage. Next, I'm adding some macadamia nut oil. Now, I chose this ingredient because it contains nutrients such as squalene and oleic acid, as well as omega-6 linoleic acid and omega-7. These do wonderful things for the skin. They will help to soften and moisturize the skin, balance sebum production, and also are really good for helping to reduce the size of wrinkles. So now I'm going to go ahead and add some evening primrose oil. This will help to soothe and moisturize the skin along with addressing issues such as wrinkles, redness, irritation, and promoting healthy, balanced skin. This next ingredient, kiwi seed oil, isn't used a whole lot when it comes to making skincare products from home. But what I love about it is it has essential fatty acids along with vitamin C, which will help to address issues such as dry skin, oily skin, acne, and wrinkles. Another great oil that I'm using in this formula is grapeseed oil. This will help to soften and moisturize that outer layer of skin. It contains some fatty acids as well as vitamin E. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some vitamin E oil. This is an ingredient I use a lot in my formulas here on my channel, and that is because it will help to prolong the shelf life of the other ingredients I use, but it also is great for moisturizing and protecting the skin. After adding the vitamin E, I'm now going to go ahead and add Natrasil. This is a natural plant-based alternative to silicone. It is made from olives, and it will give the skin a nice, soft, and silky feel to it, and it also helps to hydrate the skin too. The very last ingredient that I'm using is geranium essential oil. This has a very fresh, floral, slightly minty fragrance to it, and it aids the skin by reducing sebum production, toning the skin, and it's great for healing the skin too because it's very anti-inflammatory and antibacterial. It's now time for me to go ahead and stir all these wonderful ingredients that I've added in my beaker together. By doing this, I am going to be creating a finished product that's very effective when applied to the skin. All right, so now that I've done all that stirring, I'm going to go ahead and take my oils and put them into my bottle. I am using a spray bottle today because I find that when it comes to applying body oils on, for me at least, using a spray bottle helps to apply it evenly onto my body, which I really like. So this is what I'm using today. This particular one is glass and it is 8 ounces. Here is the finished body oil. I'm taking just a couple of sprays and applying it to my hand and gently rubbing it in. Now, once I've done that, I'm going to show you with this tissue how non-greasy and fast absorbing it is. And hopefully you can tell here that nothing transferred on to this tissue. Before I end this video, let me share with you some substitutions that I would recommend for this formula. When it comes to the oils, I would recommend using almond oil or camellia seed oil. For the essential oil, I would recommend either using frankincense or lavender. And then in place of the Natrasil, I would recommend using EcoSil. So thanks for watching, and if you'd like to see more DIY formulas, don't forget to like and subscribe.